tell Grandma? Uh-oh, you got the hiccups. You tell Grandma? Yeah? A girl, yeah. Uh-huh. You got them hiccups, huh? Uh-huh. Well, tell him. Tell him, say hiccups go bye-bye. Say hiccups go bye-bye. Bye-bye, hiccups. Bye-bye, hiccups. Oh, look at you. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Is that right? Yeah, is that right? Uh-huh. Well, tell Grandma. Tell Grandma. Tell me. Tell me, big boy. Tell me, big boy. Yeah. Yeah, is that right? Is that right? Really? Well, come on, tell me some more. Uh-huh. Yeah? Uh-huh. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're so cute. You talk to Grandma. Yes, you talk to Grandma, huh, sweetheart? Yeah. Big smiles? Big smiles? Where's the big smile? Big smile. Yeah, big smile. Yeah. Yeah. Aw. You're so cute. Him so handsome. Yes, him is him handsome man. Yeah.